Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about how to view TikTok history. So let's get started. At first, let's get to the TikTok app. Now, this is the video we have viewed. Now to go to the history, let's click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now click on this three-lined icon in the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. Now we need to scroll down and we can see activity center over here. Now we can see the watch history, comment history and search history here. So this is my watch history, this is the comment history and this is search history. So this is all. So this is how you can view your history in TikTok. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.